This 2023 East to West Entrada M-Class 24FM is a Class C RV. It is located in Attalla, Alabama, 35954 and is offered for sale by Bankston Motorhomes of Gadsden. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new East to West is 25 feet 0 inches in length and features a granite interior, sleeps 5, Slideout, and 35 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features Bunk Over Cab. This 2023 East to West Entrada M-Class 24FM is built on a Mercedes Sprinter 3500 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.